Well, this is me, the Mario time. Well, I gotta say, what? Well, Kenny's flipping the bed crying. Mom's just hustling him down. There she is. Laying down watching the NFL pre-show Super Bowl. Woo!
Pick up the yardage and Flacco. For the second time on this drive, the flag is out.
Time's out. The time is out. These people are crazy. See that one? He is ugly. He is ugly. And I thought that was 2-10, but it was 2-5. This is the second one. Look, she's ugly right there. See that? Look at, you see that? Bam! Slightly changed.